Hi everyone, this is a cash receipts problem, just like your number 3. It is your number 3 actually from your homework. Everyone has different numbers for these problems, so I thought since this problem often poses challenges for some students, we could walk through this one together. In my live classroom, we go through a problem just like this on the board, and it helps in completing the homework. So hopefully this screencast will help you guys. So we have OfficeSmart, and OfficeSmart estimates that 30% of their sales are to cash customers. The remaining sales, or 70%, are to credit customers. So of that remaining 75%, 25% of that amount is collected in the month of sale. The remaining 75% is in the month following the sale. And here they provide for us October, November, and December projected sales. So those are the numbers we'll be using. They also tell us the accounts receivable balance on September 30th, the end of September, is $70,000. Okay, so they want us to prepare a schedule for the 3 months so that we know as a business how much cash we expect to have on hand, physical cash. With that, we will be making purchasing decisions. Okay, and we can plan a little better knowing how much cash we expect to have on hand. So let's begin this. So our first line here is receipts from cash sales. All right, well, the rules tell us that 30% of each of these sales amounts will be cash. So if we do our math, 30% of 105,000, that is 31,500. Okay, let's see November. November, I'm doing it as I'm on here with you guys. So 131,000 times 30% is 3930. And 192,000 times 30% is 57,600. So this is the amount of cash you can expect to have. Let's just make sure that's right. Oops, did the math wrong. Hang on a second. 131 times 0.3, 39,300. Should have known that was off. Okay, so that's the cash we expect to collect immediately at the point of sale. Well, let's go down and see what other cash we expect to get our hands on each month. So in October, well, the rule is we collect 25% of receivables from the month's sale in the current month and 75% from the month's sales in the following month. So if we are in October, isn't it true that 75% of September's sales on accounts would be collected in October, and that's cash we would have? So if our rules account for 100% of credit sales with 25% in the month and 75% in the following month, then this receivable amount must be that entire 75%, and that will be collected in the month of October. Okay? So let's keep going. October sales on account. So we know if October sales are 105,000 in total and we are collecting 31,500 in cash, the difference is 73,500, and we collect 25% of that, or 18,375 in the first month, and in the second month, we collect 55,125. Let's just check that to make sure our numbers are right, and they are. Okay, so what did I do? I started with October, 105,000. I took 30%, and I knew that was my cash collection here, 31,500. The remainder, 105,000 less the cash collection, I then multiplied by 25% to get the current month's collection, and the balance, or 75%, is in the following month. Okay, what about November? So November, we have $131,000. We collected $39,300 in cash. So that means my balance in receivables is $91,700. In the first month, I'm going to collect 25%. So if I multiply that by 25%, I will get $22,925. And if I multiply, so it's 131 minus 39,300. Okay, if I multiply that by 75%, it's 68,775 in the following month. Okay, and we'll check it again. Taking a second. While it does that, we'll look at December. Okay, my December sales were 192,000. 192,000, and we collected $57,600 as per our first line. So the remainder is $134,400. That's a receivable amount. We collect 25% of that in the first month, or $33,600. Okay. This last line is just where you have to add the numbers up. 31,500 plus 70,000 plus 18,375. In the month of October, we can expect cash to come in this amount, 119,875. In November, we can expect, adding them up, 39,300 plus 55,125 plus 22,925 is 117,350. Okay, and in December, lastly, 57,600 plus 68,775 plus 33,600 is 159,975. And we'll check that. Everything seems right, and that's how the problem is solved. Please take a look at this and let me know if you have any questions or where we got any of the numbers, and I'd be happy to help you out. Okay, good luck.